Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will talk about graduate attributes by National Qualification Framework in Saudi Arabia. First, we will talk about what is the function of National Qualification Framework. We will talk about levels. Also, we will explain the National Qualification Framework level descriptors. We will concentrate on the bachelor degree level, which is the level number 7 in Sak 2018. Also, we will talk about the updated new National Qualification Framework. After that, we will discuss the Saudi Arabian Qualification Framework 2020 and how we can map between the National Qualification Framework SAQF 2018 and SAQF 2020. What is the function of Saudi Arabian Qualification Framework, which is called now National Qualification Framework? It is a major function of SAQF. A major function of SAQF, Saudi Arabian Qualification Framework, is to set standards for the way in which qualifications are developed, managed, reviewed, and issued in order to maintain their validity and consistency. In our presentation here, we will talk only about the 7th level, which is about the bachelor degree. What are the SAQF level descriptors? SAQF level descriptors are related to the description of learning outcomes and performance criteria. SAQF level descriptors are defined in a general and neutral language in an attempt to reflect a complex and diverse national education system and to cover all levels, types, and purposes of qualification. The 7th level by Saudi Arabian Qualification Framework 2018 concentrates on 3 main fields. They are knowledge, skills, and competence. And as you know, in 2020, the understanding is added to knowledge and competence replaced by values. Knowledge is broad understanding and critical view of the principal theories, concepts, and terminology of a discipline or field of work. Knowledge is a range of different perspectives or schools of thought that underpin the discipline, profession, or field of work. Specialist knowledge informed by current developments of a discipline or field or work. Skills as a practical application of knowledge. It is applying advanced skills, techniques, practices, and creativity in specified discipline or field of work. Practicing routine methods of inquiry, investigation, and research for a defined project. Critically evaluate the approaches and methods to solve problems. Utilizing well-developed cognitive or technical skills for the analysis and evaluation of complex information. Competence as autonomy and responsibility. It is about working effectively in peer relationships under guidance and working effectively in peer relationships under guidance and autonomously. Taking structured decisions in contexts that require self-directed work, learning, and innovation, demonstrating the potential of management of complex technical or professional activities and project team, design, decision-making, in unpredictable work or learning contexts. Competence as practice. Using theoretical principles for complex tasks in discipline or field or work. Using advanced techniques for developing solutions to complex problems related to a discipline, profession, or field of work. Utilizing a range of sources to make judgments and decisions. Analyzing and interpreting information for complex decision and innovation. Competence as attributes. Awareness relating to the importance of building professional relationships, displaying confidence and the potential for leadership and entrepreneurialism, being respectful, team-oriented, and approachable in social and professional contexts, developing a personal attitude towards values and ethics. Graduate attributes by Sak. Knowledge of a comprehensive, coherent, and systematic body of knowledge in a field of inquiry and of the underlying theories and principles associated with it. The ability to investigate complex problems and develop creative solutions with limited guidance using insights from their own and their related fields of study. The ability to identify and use appropriate mathematical and statistical techniques in the analysis and resolution of complex issues and select and use the most appropriate mechanism for communicating the results to a variety of audiences. Capacity to provide leadership and willingness to cooperate fully with others in joint projects and initiatives. In the case of a professional program, the full range of knowledge and skill required for effective practice in the profession concerned. In the case of an academic program, not geared to professional practice, in-depth knowledge and understanding of research literature in a field, and ability to interpret, analyze, and evaluate the significance of the research in extending knowledge in the field. The National Qualification Framework contained knowledge, cognitive skills, interpersonal skills and responsibility, communication, information, technology, and numerical skills, and finally psychomotor skills. But in the Saudi Arabian Qualification Framework 2018, the 5 domains become 3 domains: knowledge, skills, and competence. And we talked about these 3 domains in this presentation. The Saudi Arabian Qualification Framework, or just National Qualification Framework 2020, it contains also 3 domains, but we added understanding to the knowledge and replaced competence by values. The mapping between National Qualification Framework, Saudi Arabian Qualification Framework 2018, and SAQF 2020 knowledge domain. As you see, knowledge in National Qualification Framework, knowledge in and SAQF 2018, and we have knowledge and understanding in National Qualification Framework 2020. Knowledge with understanding helps to achieve the second domain, skills. Knowledge without understanding means pure memorizing. Mapping between National Qualification Framework SAQF 2018 and SAQF 2020 regarding the skills domain. In the National Qualification Framework 2009, we have cognitive skills, communication, information technology, and numerical skills. But in SAQF 2018, we have skills, and also in SAQF 2020, we have skills. Skills gained by knowledge and understanding and training related to the scientific field, for example, to solve, to evaluate, create, and design. Mapping between National Qualification Framework 2018, SAQF 2018 and 2020 regarding the value domain. In the National Qualification Framework, we have interpersonal skills and responsibility, we have competence 2018, and we have values in 2020. Values are based on the personality, responsibility, and loyalty of the graduates. Can be achieved by special courses, university or college level to enhance the ethical values of the graduate and the ability to work with team as a member or as a leader. Main points. Transition from framework doesn't mean changing your program learning outcomes. It is about redistribute of your PLOs over new domains. Important to update your program learning outcomes or adding new program learning outcomes if one of the domains has no enough PLOs. Your program learning outcomes are consistent with your educational objectives and your mission. Changing them means you have to go through authorized process, and the main verbs of your program learning outcomes should be related to the domains but can be repeated. You cannot use no knowledge or understand in skills domain, but you can use it in values domains if needed. Thank you very much for listening. See you inshallah in next presentations about quality in higher education.